Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking supplements. I've made a couple videos now about supplements, but now I have a lot more information that I wanted to share with you guys, and we're gonna jump right in. So a lot of people ask me what their supplement routine should be, and I wanted to give you a firm answer. I've learned some things about supplements that I didn't know a couple months ago. So the first thing we're gonna talk about is L-glutamine. So this one's really complicated because it's like good and it's also bad. And it's kind of one of those things where it has to be done in moderation. You know how they'll say like a little red wine will actually help you, but you know, if you drink too much red wine, you're gonna damage your liver. It's kind of like that. So do not drink alcohol if you're trying to heal your eczema. That's just a bad news. That was just a metaphor. But it's the same thing with L-glutamine. So L-glutamine is an amino acid. So a little bit of nutrition lesson for you guys. Proteins are composed of amino acids. So for example, you ate some chicken. Well, the chicken has a bunch of different amino acids in it, and then when it goes into your body, the amino acids will come together as protein to do a bunch of different things. It has so many different functions in your body, and it's not just related to muscles. So what L-glutamine does, remember, L-glutamine is an amino acid. It repairs the gut lining. Like our gut lining, our intestines will be repaired with L-glutamine, the amino acid. So that's good, right? Well, long-term use of L-glutamine is linked as a neurotoxin. Neuro meaning brain, toxin meaning toxin. So long-term use of L-glutamine actually damages the brain. And this is relatively new research. It comes from primarily one person who is just completely against L-glutamine. So what is my recommendation? I think you should take it when you're first trying to heal your eczema for about 2 weeks. And then I'll tell you what to do like throughout the day, like how to take your supplements throughout the day. So I'll tell you where that fits in later. So I would just get like one little bottle of it and that be it. Dr. Stephen Gundry suggests to not use it longer than 3 months. So that's that, because I know I used to recommend it, and so if you've been listening to me and you've been using it for longer 3 months, please stop using it. And I'm gonna tell you what else you could use. There's another amino acid called glycine. Phenomenal. It's amazing, it's perfect. It helps with cancer, it helps with eczema, it's great. So that's another good one. So I just wanted to get that out there because there is new information about L-glutamine, and I want to update you guys all the time on everything. So now let's jump into what your routine should be. So you have to decide whether you want to take a lot of supplements or whether you don't want to take many supplements. And I'm going to tell you how to do both. So let's do the quick one. So this is someone who really hates taking supplements. They don't want to keep popping, you know, little tablets all the time. So the critical thing to heal eczema: when you wake up, take a probiotic. At lunch, take a vitamin D and take an omega-3 supplement. Before you go to bed, take a glycine and another probiotic. That's the easy, quick version. So now if you want to know a little bit more, listen to this, because this is the longer version. This is someone who is okay with taking supplements. So I like to do it, you know, around the clock. So this is my clock, this is the morning, this is lunch, and this will be dinner. So if I'm making hand gestures, that's why. So again, when you wake up, you should take a probiotic. Then with lunch, take a vitamin D, an omega-3, a milk thistle, and a yeast detox supplement, and an L-glutamine. And that's only if you're first starting L-glutamine. If you've finished L-glutamine, replace that with L-lysine. And I should really make a document for you guys to help you with this. If you want me to create that document, give this video a thumbs up and I'll be sure to make it. So, okay, that's lunch. Okay, so then for dinner, so a lot of times, so like the yeast detox supplement, it has something called zinc in it. Zinc is a mineral and it will upset your stomach if you don't take it with food. So I'm just making sure that you guys take these with food because that's optimal. So then after dinner, you should take another vitamin D and another milk thistle, okay? And so it kind of depends on what the amount is of it. So for example, if your vitamin D is like over 100% per day, so like if you look at the back of the bottle, it'll tell you how many milligrams or grams of that supplement there are. So if you're taking a high dose, I don't want you taking 2. But if you're taking a relatively low dose, I want you taking the vitamin D at lunch, the vitamin D at dinner, the milk thistle at lunch, the milk thistle at dinner. So then before you go to bed, take a glycine and another probiotic. So that's going to help you tremendously. It helps repair the body, detox the liver, and if you want to take another supplement, add another one in for dinner and take a vitamin E because that balances out the immune system. So I know this is confusing, so let's run through it one more time. When you wake up, take a probiotic. Then for lunch, take vitamin D, omega-3, milk thistle, yeast, and either a L-glutamine or an L-glycine, and that's lunch. Okay. Then after dinner, you're gonna take a vitamin D, a milk thistle, and possibly a vitamin E. Then before you go to sleep, take a probiotic and a glycine. Now, you have to listen to this. I don't have everyone's medical history. You have to check with your doctor to make sure your medications don't interfere with any of these supplements. This is your responsibility. I am just giving you a guideline for what's going to help and what I used personally to heal my eczema. I don't know what you guys are going through. If you're pregnant, this isn't gonna work. For children, like small toddlers, this isn't gonna, like, I can't tell you to do this. So be sure to check with your doctor, your pediatrician. If you're pregnant, please talk to your doctor because supplements are very tricky when you're pregnant. So this is just a guideline. I have to make myself clear. I'm just trying to help you guys the best I can. You guys ask me this a lot, when and how to take these supplements. You take them at certain times of the day just because of the effectiveness of them at certain parts of the day. So if you are taking iron, know that the yeast detox supplement with zinc in it will affect the iron. So please look into that or ask me personally and I can help you figure that out. If you're vegan, for example, you're probably taking an iron supplement. So maybe don't take the yeast detox as well. This is a mouthful, but I want you guys to heal, and if you want me to make a document that's gonna make this a lot easier to like read and follow, give this video a big thumbs up. If we hit 80 likes, I will send it out for free. I will tell you guys where to find it. So I will see you in my next video. I wanted to just get this out here and clarified and what supplements are good and what aren't, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!